Hey, this is Quinn from How to Q. Today I'm going to demo this bathroom, maybe another bathroom if I get to it, but the big thing is getting the tile out of here. I'll show you a video of that. A really good friend of mine gave me his Hilti 700 AVR to take this out. I've got a 6-inch spade on it, so I'm hoping this will be quick and easy, which we all know that's not going to happen. So check this out and hope you enjoy it. Here's a quick shot of the before of the bathroom. I'm obviously just going to focus on how I took out the tile for these two bathrooms with this Hilti 700 AVR. Before I started this job, I kind of assumed the tile might come up pretty quick, and that's actually exactly what I found. This tile had been laid probably 20 years ago, so I assumed because it was older, might have gotten wet at one time, it was going to be pretty easy to pull up. And as you can tell, there's not much of it, so this will go fast. The one thing that I didn't do before I started the job was remove those baseboards, so I'm going to do that really quickly, interrupt the job, which it would have been a lot easier to take up the tile if I would have prepped the area a little bit better. When you're removing the toilet, just be ready to cap that line. It's either a 1/4 inch cap or a 3/8 inch cap, because invariably those old water shutoffs are not going to completely shut off the water. So just be ready for that. Now back to getting up this tile. Here's a good shot of how that Hilti with the 6-inch spade took up the thinset. The hardest part of removing tile is getting the thinset off that concrete, and that was not a problem with the right tool. In less than an hour, easily, I was able to clean up this room. I'm just getting the last few pieces of thinset here. Most of the time is spent actually getting the debris out of the room so you can keep on pulling the tile out. Okay, that other bathroom was easy. I don't know if they didn't lay the thinset down well, or this thing just cuts like butter through tile. Yeah, butter, I know, bad. But man, it was easy. It was like sweeping the tile off the floor. I'm going to do the second bathroom. That one didn't take too long. The water shutoff doesn't work on the toilet, so I'm not removing the toilet. I'm just going to try and tear up as much tile as I can since I've only got this for like a day. Here we go. So after doing the first bathroom, as you can tell, this tile job looked a lot more substantial only because it had been done recently. So I thought this would take a lot longer, but honestly, it didn't. It came up just like the other one. Here's another good shot in real time of how this blade just cuts through the thinset. The demo guys in the other rooms had used a Makita hammer drill with kind of a snub nose spade that didn't nearly do the job as this one did. This bathroom was a piece of cake. Here I am just cleaning up the last few areas of thinset. If I could have removed that toilet, I just didn't have a cap to cap the water shut off. It would have gone much quicker. Here's a quick before and after. I eventually was able to pull that toilet and clean it up. This video is one of many I'm doing on our renovation, so it was easy to get rid of this tile in that dumpster in our front yard. Okay, that's what I call sweat equity. This Hilti, oh my God. And this is not a paid advertisement. It was like sweeping the floor. It was very easy. This is definitely a doable job, DIY. Guys charge $2 and $3 to pick up tile like that, so you can definitely do it yourself. Please subscribe, please like. We got a lot more projects to go. Thanks for watching this edition of How to Q. We'll see you next time.